Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe, thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. And let's get right into this video. You've seen the title. This is my first ever Cortez sneaker and the first Nike Cortez by You sneaker on YouTube, apparently. So they've made these in about 3 to 4 days, which is insane. But overall, these were shipped to me in about 3 weeks, which is still super fast. And these are extremely overpriced. 140 euros is way too much just for the option of having different colored swooshes on each side. And of course, I wanted to do something inspired by my other two Nike by You sneakers, the Presto and the Nike Dunk. So let me show you what I did here. If you don't know, Nike stole the design of this sneaker from Asics, then they got sued and had to change it a bit. Then Nike got sued by Adidas because they've named the model the Aztec or something. So Nike changed the name to Cortez, which is the name of a colonizer who defeated the Aztecs apparently. Anyway, this is one of the oldest Nike models, and also Jason Alexander as George Costanza wore them in many Seinfeld episodes, so I had to get them. So I have my real carbon fiber unboxing pocket knife right here. And let's unbox these. So it's the classic white Nike by You box, and this time they've actually put my design on the label. Let's check these out. These are very sick, but I can already see some things I don't like. For example, this outsole is in a different color than the midsole, and the embroidery looks kind of funky on the back here, and it says 1 of 1 right here if you cannot tell. But overall, these are very sick. Still overpriced, but I absolutely love them. As you can see, I really wanted to do something different. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to do a short video in a few weeks explaining what I did here in detail. So stick around and subscribe. But for now, stick around for the on feet, and thank you for watching.